Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to sort hyphen separated sequence of words in alphabetical order. So let us start this with the program. Here, this line creates a function named sort hyphenated words that takes one input named sequence, which is the string of hyphen separated words. So in the next line, this program splits the input string wherever it finds a hyphen, and this creates a list of words. Now, the next line, this line sorts the words alphabetically. So, the list of words is arranged in the alphabetical order. Now, in the next line, the program combines the sorted words back into a single string, adding hyphens between them. And here, the next line, the sorted string is sent back as the result of the function. Here, the next line, this line prompts the user to enter a hyphen separated sequence of words, and the result is stored in a variable user input. And the next line here, this line calls the sort hyphenated words function with user input as the parameter and stores it in a variable named result. And so in the last line here, the sorted string is displayed to the user. So let us check this program. As I am entering a hyphen separated sequence of words, and so let us check this program. So the sorted sequence gives class, code, data, then Python. So thanks for watching this video.